Hi, welcome to another exciting Tile Mart episode. I'm Julee, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Today, we're going to continue our series on grout and talk about the differences between the various qualities of grout, such as sanded and unsanded, and when to use them. There are several grout suppliers. They all have slightly different grout products and color palettes. However, it's crucial to select the right type of grout for your tile or stone. Let's dive into the details so that you can make the best choice for your project. Sanded grout contains fine sand particles that add strength and thickness, making it ideal for larger grout lines typically found in floor tiles. This type of grout is less likely to shrink in wider joints, providing a durable bond for tiles spaced more than 1/8 inch apart. On the other hand, unsanded grout lacks sand, resulting in a smoother finish, making it perfect for delicate or porous materials such as your polished tile, polished stone, or glass. It's also ideal for wall tiles and countertops and best used for narrower grout lines up to 1/8 inch wide. Sanded grout will scratch polished tile, stone, and glass surfaces, so make sure that you use unsanded grout for these materials. You may want to consider using a grout release product too before you're grouting. Grout release is designed to aid in the cleaning process after grouting and to protect the tile surface, especially with porous tiles or those with a textured surface. It acts as a temporary protective barrier between the tile and the grout, preventing staining or sticking, which really ensures a beautiful outcome. Sealing your grout after it is fully cured helps to protect against moisture and stains, especially in high water exposure areas. However, grout sealant can change the color of your grout, so it's super important to test it on a small sample first and let it fully dry to see the final result before you seal all of your grout. Testing your grout color can also help you to visualize the final look, ensuring it complements your tile and your overall design. By understanding the differences between the sanded and unsanded grout and considering your tiling project specifics, you can achieve a beautiful, lasting result. Choosing the right grout type and following best practices for application and sealing will enhance the durability and appearance of your tiled surfaces. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay informed on the latest tile trends and tricks of the trade. And we love to answer your questions. Email us at ask@tilemart.com. See you next time.